These lights are made by an OE-approved and ISO-certified manufacturer with the to quality meet or exceed all OE standards. Complete set, both sides included. Increase visibility during heavy rain, snow, fog and nighttime driving. Comes with light bulbs, on.off switch, wiring harness, relay and mounting brackets. Designed as direct bolt-on replacement parts. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome product. Took a little long for delivery, but it was Christmas time. I know there was a lot of reviews saying a bulb blew out after a short time, but we have had no problems and install was very simple. Actually we got new headlights, fog lights, and a new grille and it took less than 3 hours to do everything.